Meanwhile, outgoing Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson has reiterated his approval of using qualified Jamaicans in local roles. In addition to another Jamaican, Dr. Kevin Blake, being appointed to the Police Commissioner post, General Anderson says he insisted on having Jamaican consultants as part of the team in pursuing ISO 9001 qualification, the international standards of service delivery and operations.
Because no one else, nobody outside of Jamaica should have on their CV that they took the Jamaica Constabulary Force to that quality standard when we have Jamaicans who are equally and more capable of doing so. So in the end, your police force, your Jamaica Constabulary Force is probably one of 4 police forces in the hemisphere that are so certified.
The Commissioner also praised the local contractors who will be building the Westmoreland Divisional Headquarters. Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the government has deliberately moved away from considering foreigners to head the JCF. General Anderson says he was pleased with the qualification of new local JCF recruits he interacted with recently.
What do you want to do in the JCF? Is I want to be an investigator. So why an investigator? Because I have a degree in law. Went down the line, another one has 14 C6 and a degree in forensic chemistry. We are pulling into your JCF our JCF, the best and the brightest.